Hi friends, we are in Clarksville. We're renovating LuAnne Ken's house. They just got this place. The other one is pristine. This one needs some work. So bounce you along here. There's a funeral home across the street, so it's a pretty quiet neighborhood. It's part of a condo complex actually, but it's a single family home. So we're going around to the back of the house. And in the back door, into the kitchen. Cabinets are gone, they're getting all replaced. This whole room was full of wallpaper with borders. It's really hard to get off. So I found that I used the orbital with 40 grit sandpaper. It makes a big mess, but it gets it off without damaging the wall. So use that to remove wallpaper, just don't sand right through the paint. This will be their eating area nook. We had to replace this wall, it was so beat up. And the framing, believe it or not, is that crooked in this closet. So we redid the wall too. This is into the dining room. Moving a fan over. It's a big room. It's all the tools. And we're drywalling archways. There was a closing door to the kitchen there, so it's been removed. This is the front entryway. All the floors are getting replaced, including the stone. The corner up here was leaking in through the roof before. It's okay now, I think. But we had to replace the drywall there. Doing another archway rather than casing here into the main living room, which is quite a big space. And doesn't look like it on the camera. And this hallway was vertical striped in a beige vinyl wallpaper. Linda spent literally days peeling it, and then we've sanded the background. This will be a den. Ceiling fans are going. Turn you over here. Down the hallway to the master bedroom. It's a very big room. We have another border to take off. And out the back is where we came in from their parking area. And the place is just full of makeshift shelving. This is the walk-in closet. There's two bathrooms. The vanities are going. The borders are going. There was lots of dead dried flowers or fake flowers hanging around this house. These decorations. The lights have got to go, new fans. Bathtubs are going to be sprayed. Toilets are going. So we're keeping what we can of the casings and the doors. And that's about it. So we still have another 8 days here for Linda and I to do what we can. We're back to the kitchen here. And beside the kitchen is another bathroom, the main bathroom, which has horrible finish on the walls, big lumps. And you can see it. Lumpy, wrinkly mess. And the ceiling's not very nice either, with more borders. So and across from the vanity in the bathroom there is the laundry room, which was multiple rows of shelving and full of junk. That's the pantry door. So the flooring's got to come out of here still. And we've gotten rid of the rest of the floor. This was a huge job too. It was a double layer of plywood with lino in between. We're going to take out with a shovel in little pieces. So it's a big job. It's going to be a very nice house.